Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Stock futures are pumping. You can see from buy zone here on Friday to the sell zone. Nice pump of around 3.5%. Nasdaq, you can see absolutely amazing trades here. S&P 500, same thing you can see here. Buy zone, green line is the buy zone to the sell zone, 2.5% pump. And this is Dow Jones, same thing again, green line to the buy zone, almost 2.3% pump. And Russell, same copycat on all the indices, and you can see even on Bitcoin you can see same thing here. What a nice pump here. You can see actually this was over the weekend, but you can see even on Fridays, you can see here Friday trade touched the green line here, and nice pump from the green lines to the red line. You can see almost 2.5% here, but now it's very overbought, so it might be cooling down a bit. We'll talk about this. And let's look at long-term chart, guys. If you like these charts and if you want to know more about this indicator, click the Discord channel link below and join my Discord channel. And you can I share all the buy sell levels there, and you can see this is long-term chart. You can see I was saying we are looking for a bottom here in the green lines, and looks like we are getting a bottom here. All right, and we're going higher, and you can see I told everybody multiple times, this is it, guys. This is where you want to be looking for bottom. We're going at least at 5900 at minimum, so looking for another pump of around 2.86%, and then they will decide if they want to come back down to green line or they want to go straight up to red line. And the target for from now to end of this year, or at least at minimum 13%, 6500 on S&P 500, guys. Okay, by the way, guys, please hit the like button while you're watching this. It only takes 1 second to hit the thumbs up button. I really appreciate that. This is daily chart of cycle analysis. SPX looking for a bottom. We got bottom a couple of days early. Looks like we're going higher. Now these are two gaps which looking to fill on SPX, 750, 700, and then 5800, and then at the end 6135. And this is live market MES already looking like it wants to go get out of this resistance. You can see this light blue line, 200 EMA, okay, daily 200 EMA resistance for last almost a week, and then they did a gap up, okay, already a gap up and now going higher. All right, so this is how they treat it. You can see SPY opening on a gap up above these 200 EMA, so probably looks like they want to open a gap up and trying to fill all these gaps. Now since we are in this sell zone, market might cool down at the open, so you want to be careful. We also futures also opened on a gap up, so probably they're going to bring it down to fill this gap at some point. I don't know if it's going to be today or later, but if you're in profit, look to take profit and exit. Okay, that's what my recommendation would be. And again, going back to now daily chart, and then let's look at weekly on SPX. And you can see MES chart now bouncing off this 50 EMA SMA weekly. Now every time we come closer to red and yellow lines, that's a good bottom, and looks like we're bouncing off here. Nasdaq also, you can see same thing here, touch the red and yellow lines and now bouncing. Okay, looking for a bounce to continue. All right, so could be a V-shaped recovery. We're gonna keep that in mind. Same thing on Dow Jones and same thing on Russell, looking for a bounce, and that will be very explosive bounce. All right, and on Nasdaq NDX chart, let's see in NDX, you can see all these gaps. Those are our targets to fill. And MNQ, you can see same thing here, going higher, and that's what we're looking for. Bitcoin again bouncing from this 200 moving average and looking very nice in front of some resistance here around 89k, but those should be filled sooner than later. This is BTC futures. Again, I'm looking for 125 to 130k target. I think that's what we are going to achieve. Ethereum also nice bounce. Next target could be 2600, and this is Ethereum live chart also looking very nice here as well. In terms of FANG stocks, they are all bouncing. So you can see pre-market, all of them are up. Still a little good buy for the long-term hold. You can just choose whatever you like. I'm not going to go individually, but they are all good buys at this time. Hang Seng Index, buy the dip. Look to buy any dips. China is looking nice. Bond market, little weaker, but again on some support here on this yellow line, TLT. Again, gapping down and probably it's going to start filling the gap later on. US oil nicely here in front of above this 20 moving average. Let's see if it can hold it and then bounce. Natural gas also, you can see in front of this 50 moving average. Buy the dip. Look to buy this dip on natural gas. Could be very explosive from mid-March to end of March. Sorry, end of the year. This is gold, just a little blip, but again, divergences are happening. Lower high on RSI, lower high on PPO. I wouldn't be buying gold here. Looking for a major dip to buy again. Silver, same thing. This is Hang Seng Index. You can see here, sorry, not Hang Seng, this is copper. Again, buy the dip, getting 9 count sell signal. Sugar, look to buy in this green zone. Wheat on this trend line, look to buy all the touches of trend line. Corn also in front of 200 moving average, looks like it wants to bounce. Dollar in front of resistance. Let's see if it can break above that or not. And that's it for today. It's going to be a quick recap, and let's quickly look at VIX. VIX is crushing, looking for it to crush to 14 targets, and that's what we're looking for. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Please hit the like button on your way out, and if there are any stocks you want me to review, put a comment in the description, and I will take a look. Take care. Bye.